Hello, everyone. My name is Ava Cain, and I am your school counselor for this school year. First, I would like to welcome you back to school and to our first session of classroom guidance. I hope that everyone is staying safe and doing everything that you can to stay safe during this pandemic. I will not be before you long, but I do have a few things that I would like to share with you. All right, first, boys and girls, I want to introduce myself and tell you about a few things that are important to me. I also want to tell you about my job as a school counselor. And lastly, I want to talk about our Marlboro County School District's Character Word of the Month for September. If you have any questions or you need to talk to Miss Kane at any time, please feel free to email me, call me, or contact me through the Stop It app. All about me. I grew up in the big city of Blenheim. I moved to Bennettsville about 8 years ago. I went to Marlboro County High School. I went to college 3 times. My first degree is in elementary education. I was a teacher for 12 years. I have two master's degrees, one in from Francis Marion University and the other one from South Carolina State in professional school counseling. This is my 14th year in education. Um, the people that you see before you on the screen right now are my lovely family. These two people are my parents, Robert and Eloise Cain. Boys and girls, I just want to tell you one thing about my parents. My mom and my dad are both special to me, but my dad is really, really special to me. He's one of the hardest working men and that I know, and someone who has never given up. He's a double amputee. That means that he has both of his legs cut off, and he's very important to me. Right here is a picture of me and my siblings, or my siblings and I. My older sister Nicole, she works at a factory in Sherrall. My brother Robert Kane, he owns a backhoe business here in Bennettsville. My sister Robertina, she lives in Columbia. She's a teacher at the prison in Columbia. And my youngest sister is Mrs. Kayana Kane, and she's a teacher at Wallace. My family is very, very important to me. Lastly, my daughter, she is a seventh grader at Wallace Elementary Middle School. She's a very sweet kid who loves the game of basketball and softball, just like her mom. My favorite teams. I am a die-hard Washington Redskins fan. Although we're not called the Washington Redskins anymore, we're called the Washington team. I still support my team. I also like the Boston Celtics. And for college basketball, I like the UNC Tar Heels out of Chapel Hill. And for college football, I like the USC Gamecocks. So if you see me, say Miss Kane, I like the Redskins, or Miss Kane, I like USC. That'll let me know that we have some things in common. Some of my hobbies, I like shopping, reading, traveling all over the world. Basketball is my favorite sport. I play basketball, I've coached basketball, and I love watching basketball. I have been to almost every state in the United States, and I am a member of Delta Sigma Theta Sorority Incorporated. Now, part two of my lesson. I am your school counselor. I do not have a magic wand, a crystal ball, or all the answers, but I do have ears to listen, a heart to care, and time to give. I have ideas and an open mind. I am your school counselor, and guess what? I am here for you. My goals for this year, if you take a look at the screen, I have some words in bold print. If you can help me say it, help me say it. Help, 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 and help. My job is to help students reach their full potential academically, socially, and emotionally. Okay? So my job is to make sure that you are the best student that you can be while you're at BIS and once you leave BIS. What is a school counselor? A school counselor They're kind of like superheroes. I fly all over the building, helping out wherever I can. You'll see me in the hallway if you come face to face. But if you don't come face to face, you can still see me because I'll be sending out lessons every month or every week or so. What do they do all day? I help kids solve problems. I answer questions. I talk to parents. I talk to teachers. I teach guidance lessons. When should you visit the school counselor? If you need help with something, you're feeling sad, mad, confused, or worried. You're not sure of how to solve a problem. You should always ask your teacher first. I conduct 5 different types of counseling. First, I do classroom guidance. This is where I come into your classroom every month to talk about different topics, or I'll send out these virtual videos. I can talk about topics such as friendship, decision making, and problem solving. We may also talk about study skills, bullying, conflict resolution. So there's a lot of things that I can talk to you about to make sure you have a good awareness of it and make sure it won't happen. Okay. I also do one-on-one counseling. That means that I can talk to you by yourselves, either virtually or in person. I serve as a listener and a mentor to students and their families in the time of need. I also do small group counseling. That's where I pull a small group of students together who share a common issue that has recently happened in their lives, such as divorce or death or conflict resolution. And we work on some different things and have different activities to help you become a better student. I am also a crisis counselor. This means that I serve students and their families during times of critical issues, such as things that happen unexpectedly, such as tornadoes or hurricanes or fires, and recently, like things that happen because of the COVID-19 pandemic. I am also a career counselor. That means I help you navigate through the world of work as you think about your personal interests. I introduce you all to new careers that you don't normally hear about, like careers other than being a teacher, a police officer, or a fireman. Remember that whenever we discuss anything, it is confidential. That means that I won't tell anybody unless I feel that you are in danger or you are a danger to yourself or somebody else. Boys and girls, remember your secret is my secret. Lastly, part 3, we're almost done. We're going to talk briefly about our Marlboro County School District's Character Word of the Month for September, which is respect. Boys and girls, I know we're at the end of the month. I still wanted to share with you all about this word because it's very important. What does it mean? Respect means showing a high regard for authority, other people, yourself, and your country. Understanding that all people have value as human beings. There's a golden rule that you always hear people say. They say it because it's important. Always treat others the way that you would want to be treated. Who do we respect? We respect places, we respect things, and we respect people. Some places we respect is like your school, your home, a store, parks. You can show respect at these places by keeping it neat and clean, putting trash in the garbage can, being quiet, and following the rules. Some things that we respect are like your toys, your clothes, your school supplies. You can show respect to things by not stealing or taking other people's property, asking permission to use or have something. Some people that we can show respect to are other students, our classmates, adults, yourself, and authority figures. You can show respect by listening to others when they are talking, being kind, raising your hand, using your manners, using nice words. Now, I want to talk about showing respect to people and places because it's very important right now because most of you all are doing virtual or digital learning. So, for example, if your teacher is talking, then that means you shouldn't be talking. If you are in a place, mute your mic. That's kind of noisy so that you won't interrupt your class. And when you're typing in the chat box, you should type nice things, not mean things about other people. So these are all ways that we can show respect. Now, if you have any questions about respect, feel free to contact me. All right, boys and girls, I'm going to move on. Remember our district's motto, pound 345. I love you, I care about you, and I am here for you. So, boys and girls, as a result of our character education program, we recognize character students of the month. So that means that each teacher will choose a student who shows that character trait for that month. And you get some really cool things. You get to put your picture and a biography up beside your classroom door. You get to come to my character celebration, which is very, very cool. And also you get a certificate and a medal at Awards Day. So you'll get recognized in all of those ways. Also, you will get a chance to represent our entire school in the district's running for Character Student of the Month. And if you get chosen as a district's Character Student of the Month, boys and girls, you'll be honored by our Board of Education during a public session. You'll be presented with a certificate by our superintendent. Your name will be posted on the school's marquee. Your photo will be displayed in the front lobby and main office. And your name and photo will be on the school's website, Facebook page, and in our community's newspaper. So it is a very, very big deal to be recognized as the Marlboro County School District's Character Student of the Month. If you take a look at the picture, that's one of our very own, Kirbyana Perfects, who was chosen last year for our Character Student of the Month. So remember, give respect, give respect, give respect, and you shall get respect. Boys and girls, I need your help. Posted in your Google Classrooms and your Schoology pages will be a counselor survey. I need your help. If you could, please go on and complete that survey. That survey will help me with my counselor's program. It will tell me some things about what I may need to change or include to make sure that you're receiving the best education possible and the best experience at Bennettsville Intermediate School. So if you would, please go online and complete that survey. The class with the most participants will receive a treat from Ms. Cain, even my virtual students. Okay, so make sure you go online and and fill out that survey for me. Today we've talked about several things. I told you who I was. I also told you about my family and the things that were important to me. I told you about what I do as a school counselor. I also discussed our Marlboro County School District's Word of the Month and how you can be the student of the month either for our school, your class, or for the district. And I hope that everyone has a great year.